fruity vegan ice cream. Who wants some? Yum yum. We're going to start with some frozen bananas. Whenever your bananas start to get brown, peel them. I like to have them, put them in a little plastic baggie and throw them in the freezer. And then you have the perfect start for smoothies. Then we have a cup of frozen strawberries, a cup of frozen bananas, a cup of frozen raspberries. And we're going to pulse these for a minute. Adding the frozen apple concentrate. Just had to play with it a little bit. It's working. Okay, we don't want to overblend, but it's just like a soft serve. Delicious, nutritious. Freeze what you don't use right now. It's good to go. I'm Dr. Lovnik. Thank you for watching.